Alright, welcome back. So now we want to move to the next portion, which is about changing of volume. So I'm going to be declaring a function and make it volume underscore change. Then open my parentheses with my code block. Okay, so what am I going to put inside this volume change? So we have already declared an ID for volume change, so that is what we're gonna be choosing. So volume change, volume show rather. Let me check. It times that volume show. Yes, we have it here. So this is volume show. So we're gonna be saying volume show dot inner HTML equals to volume. Okay. So volume show dot inner HTML then is equal to recent volume dot value. So then okay. So after this we go to the next one, which is we're going to be seeing our Qur'an dot volume dot volume, then also equal to recent volume dot value as well /100 recent volume dot value, so out of 100. So we want it to be showing like so that we can know if we have reached highest volume, or we are at the middle, or we are at 80% of the volume or something. Then so after this, okay, I've already closed it. Okay, so now we'll be talking about the slider position. Slider position. So another function, and then we're going to be giving it change duration underscore duration. Open my parentheses, then my code block. And inside the code block, what am I going to put there? So I'll declare this before now. Okay, so slide the position. Coming, so is equal to Qur'an. You should all know that it's going to be dot duration times what is our static slider dot value next thing. So I'll be talking about the current time, so that is going to be Qur'an dot current time. So Qur'an dot current time, then we are going to let it be equal to this slider position. Okay. Slider position. Oh, equal to supposed to be here. Oh, we are taking the omitted dot. Okay. So having done this, then we are good to, we will be moving to our autoplay. Okay, let me end the video here, then we'll mix in the next video.